Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111 and today I am going to do the pick a card reading, and topic of the pick a card reading is what is their current feeling and thoughts for you. What is their current feelings and thoughts for you. So you have to choose one pile, or if you drawn to the two of the pile then you can choose two. Okay, this is the first one. It is the green pen, green highlighter, and the second is pink highlighter. Okay, so I will give the timestamps in description box below, so you can go directly on to the readings, and I will start for the reading for the pile 1. Okay, so pile 1, what is their current feelings and thoughts for you. Okay, what is the current feeling and thoughts for you. Their current and feeling thoughts for you. Four of Cups in reverse. Okay, you might be dealing with the Scorpio, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so what are their current feelings and thoughts for you. Okay, we will see why the Four of Cups is reverse. Why the Four of Cups is reverse. Okay, why the Eight of Pentacles is here. Okay, so before your partner may be whatever the you are asking about, that person may be water sign, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, or maybe earth sign, or you might be earth in your chart. Okay, and in this reading there are three major arcana: Wheel of Fortune, the Hierophant, and the Judgment. Okay, so the message for you is that a person was not looking for the cup you was offering, or you might be not taking the consideration of this cup. Okay, whatever this person is giving you the offer, you was ignoring that offer, or you was not in that state of mind to accept that offer, or like that. Okay, the energy can be flip flap, energy can be changed. Okay, you might be this in you was in this energy, or your person may be in that energy. Okay, so right now he is looking for your cup. Okay, in the current past he was not looking for your cup, he was just focusing on the cups who was empty and who are empty in front of him. Okay, but right now he has been divert his focus from this three empty cup to the your cup. Okay, what is the divine is giving you, or universe is giving you, or in the form of you, or you are just looking to that cup. Okay, you want to go to that person. Okay, or this person want to come to you with the solid offer, or any marriage proposal, because this is the family card. Okay, this person might be want to family with you, build a family with you. Okay, this person want to be in a calmer water, travel to the calmer water to get the relaxation, because this person is very happy and relaxed, calm in whenever he or she is with you. Okay, so he is now able to see that all the things in clearly. In current past or in past thing he was not able to see all these things, but now he is realizing, or she is realizing that things. Okay, and that person is thinking of marriage. Okay, the Hierophant card is a social society, religion and marriage card. Okay, or some of you people have some cultural issues, or any social issues, but this person is want to marriage with, to get married with you. Okay, this person wants some solid commitment with you. Okay, and this person is might be the key of your future. Okay, there are two keys, so you are the key of their happiness, and this that person is the key of your happiness or your future. Okay, so he want to be with you, the solid offer. Okay, right now might be the things are there is a no movement, you are not seeing the movement properly, but that person is in thinking that he wants some stable offer with you, stable connection with you. Okay, the marriage with you. Right now maybe there is no moment, he is just focusing on, he or she is just focusing on current finances and some career issues. Okay, but that will be get sorted. Okay, because of the wheel of fortune, it is a major arcana. Okay, that person may be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. The wheel is turning. Okay, the wheel is turning in your favor, so you can be your whatever the financial issues you are facing or that person is facing will get over, okay. And the judgment card is you are the universe is focus, universe is also giving you the signs, signals, and helping you to bring this connection in the solid level. Okay, so this person is this person is want to marry with you. Okay, bottom of the deck is the ace of sword reverse. Right now things are not in that things are not in a fast way, but as this will get turned. Okay, as this money problem will get sorted, this new beginning will be occur. See, the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, he is able to take the responsibility of the family, and he is able to start with the new passion, new commitment, and with the new solid foundation. Okay, new solid foundation. But right now this is not that much a perfect timing. Okay, this is the twin flame soulmate connection. See, again the bottom of the deck is the two of cups. So this is the twin flame soulmate connection. Some of you, there may be the culture, religion, language differences, or distance may be the reason. Okay, so that's why the right now things are not in that much fast. Okay, see, again two of wands. He has been analyzing the things, he has been come out of his internal and external conflict, and he is able to see your cup, so he will ready to give the offer. Okay, so very nice, this was your message for pile number 1. So if it is resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section that the message is resonating with you, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you want the new readings on the new topics, then please let me know in the comment section. I would like to take the new readings. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Take care, bye bye. Okay, now we will move to the pile number 2, which is the pink pain. Okay, so these are the general readings, guys. So the messages may or may not be resonating with you, each and everyone. So please, the messages, take the messages wisely according to your situation, because you know what is the situation. Okay, and the energy can be flip flop, so please resonate that, take that messages in that way. Okay, what is their current feeling and thoughts for you? What are their current feelings and thoughts for you? For pile number 2, what are the current feelings and thoughts for you? If you want any new readings with the new topics, please let me know in the comment section. I will take that readings also. Okay, Nine of Wands, Eight of Cups. What are the current feelings and thoughts for you? What are the current feelings and thoughts for you? Two of Swords in the reverse. Okay. The Star in the reverse. Okay. Why the Star in its reverse? Okay, Judgment. Why the Star is in reverse? Okay, King of Cups. Very good. Why the Eight of Cups is here? Why the Nine of Wands is here? Why the Nine of Wands is here? Okay, very nice. So we will start with the readings. So you for the pile number 2, you or your person may be water sign, or might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, okay, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay. This person is walking away, okay. This person is walking away from the hurting energies, okay. He has been healed his heart, okay. This is the card of the heartbroken, okay. He was in broken heart since before meeting you, or maybe you people have some fights, arguments, and right now this person is healing his heart, and he has been heal his heart. But I am getting that this person is walking away from the energy who has been hurting him, okay. He has been healed his heart now. People has been hurted him or she, okay, him or she. So that person is coming, walking away from the situation, okay. But he is guarded. He is that person is guarded. I am able to I am easily saying he, okay. This is easy for me, that's why I am saying he. Please take the energy as you are, okay. This person may be he or she, but I would like to say he, because it is very comfortable for me, okay. So he is now guarding his all the feelings, all the situation. He just guarding himself, okay. This person is guarding himself because this person has been in the past, he with the ex or anyone, this person has been hurted a lot, okay. This person has been hurted a lot with the other people, other ex or anything, okay. So he is now guarding himself. He don't want to get hurt again and again. That's why he is guarding his wants. He's guarding here his heart, okay. But in heart he is recognizing that he is ready to he is able to know, he is able to analyze that this is the soulmate connection, okay. And he is ready to give you the cup, but he is guarding, okay. He wants the happy family with you, okay. This is the happy family card, okay. This is the happy family card, 10 of cups, okay. You might be water sign, or this person might be the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, okay. Right now he is guarding, but in the feelings, in the thought, in the mind, they are just thinking that want to marry with you and having family with you, okay. This person has been come out of the illusion, come out of the duality, come out of the manipulation, okay. Because in the past people has been manipulate them, people has been hurted them, okay. So right now they want to take the wise decisions, and that's why they are guarding their wants, okay. They are guarding their heart, okay. The Star in the reverse. So right now there is a hope, there is a in the past there was a lot of emotional loss, money loss, or anything had been happen, but this person want to build up again, okay, want to stand again and having hope to this will be, he want to balance everything, okay. So the star is clarified by the judgment and the king of cups. See, I told you, he is ready to give you the cup. He might be the water sign, he is a king energy, he is a full on his passion and controlling energy, but very sensitive, very courageous and sensitive. He is a very wise person, okay. He is not go with the flow of emotions. That's why he is guarding his feelings now. He is guarding with his wants, feelings, heart, okay. His boot is not touching to the water, okay. So they don't want to run with the feelings, okay. They don't want to be emotional full. They are very wise, so they are taking their time to offer you the cup, okay. So they just want to take a judgment. They just taking their time to come out of the illusion, so that they will not hurt again, they will not be hurted again, okay. So very nice, they want the solid connection with you, solid foundation with you, and the commitment with you, okay. Please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you or not, and please let me know in the comment section that if you want any new topics, okay, for the reading, I will do that. And please like, share and subscribe my channel, okay. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.